Okay, here's another geoengineered sunset. You can see the lininess to the clouds here. Definitely lines going along the coast here. I have a little bit of a clearing, and then we have this guy coming over here. We've had a couple of them fly over and between the clearings here. See the lines back there. Lines back there. So here you can see one jet trail there, and recently they've been doing this kind of jet trail spraying, geoengineering spraying, in coordinates to the sun. So basically, if you're looking at the sun, you don't see. It's hard to see. So basically, if you're looking away from the sun, you have less of a tendency to see them spraying. But if you are looking toward the sun, and that's when they tend to spray. They tend to spray against the backdrop of the sun. And so most of this haze here, you can tell by the lines, the lininess to it. There's nothing in nature that is like this kind of square thing. So this is all man-made stuff, right? Normally, normal clouds are sort of billowy, like this stuff coming off the mill here. But these square and lininess action here is all the geoengineered stuff.